Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker Pro. This is an 8.5 quart multi-cooker with an 8-in-1 slow cooker. Alright, so today we've got the Ninja Foodi. This is a PossibleCooker that replaces 8 cooking appliances and tools. So this here has 14 cooking tools and appliances. This cooker replaces the needs for a slow cooker, steam oven, food warmer, non-stick pot, and a saute pan. This has a cast iron skillet, saucer, steamer, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, as also it comes with a utensil. So here is the menu. So it says the cooking appliances. It does come with the spoon up at the top. You do get a recipe instructions right here for a couple of meals. That way you can cook right out of the box. It is a saute directly in the pot. There is no need to transfer to a stove pot. So this is oven safe up to 500 Fahrenheit. So you can take this out and put it in the oven to finish cooking the meal. So first off, you get the top, you get the owner's manual, and you get the recipe guide. That way you can make meals right out to go. So right here is the owner's manual, which gives you instructions on how to use this, and you can see the many different foods that you can make using this small little cooker. So here are some safeguards, some warnings. So I'm just going to go into the user manual and see what it says in here. Some warnings before using. And then here is your Foodi PossibleCooker, all the different foods that you can make using this cooker. So here's your guide to cooking like a foodie. You have your index. You want to cook pastas. Here's getting started. This tells you everything about the device, all the buttons. You do get the spoon here at the top. And it does have a spot to put the spoon. So these are additional accessories that you can purchase. So this is the tips and tricks. So here is a cereal maple oatmeal. So it gives you the ingredients and directions on how to cook that. Then if you want to go to Sunday pot roast, you've got your ingredients and the directions. So it should turn out like that. So they have a few other ones. So this is a great little thing that you get right out of the box. So here is the top of the cooker, and this one here does get hot. So when you open it up, I would strongly suggest checking it before you actually grab it. And it does have a steam hold right here in the front. So now this is the bottom part of the pan. So this one is an 8.5 quart cooking, which can cook chili up to 20 people, 9 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs, or enough pulled pork for 30 sliders. So this is washable. You can use it in the dishwasher or wash it in the sink. This is a non-stick pan. The pan is really nice. So this one here, like I said, you can put it in the oven up to 500 Fahrenheit, so you can finish your meal for a crispy top. Now this is the warmer top of the cooker. So you can cook up to 30% faster than any other conventional ovens by combining the bottom slide to steam and heat. More possibilities. This is tested on a 6-pound chicken. So right here, when you put the pan in, this will knock it down and it'll start cooking. So the 8 cooking functions, you can do slow cook, sear, saute, steam, keep warm. You can do braise, bake, and proof. So the utensils that are included is this spoon right here. And it does have a spot on the top. So one side is a serving spoon and the other side right here is like a fork. It is a really nice, thick, hard material. So this little piece right there will sit up on top of the cooker. So it is really nice. There is where if you want to serve it like a fork, and then the other side is for like soups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some chili. I'm going to turn this on and come back as soon as I got it connected. So right now I just got it plugged on to show you that is flashing the timer. So right now you can turn the power on. You can do the time, but I don't have the top part in, so it's not recognizing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some chili beans into it, and I'm going to start it up, and I will show you when I come back. Okay, so now I put some water in the pot. You can see right here. I didn't want to put too much because I'm going to put a lot of beans in there. So now I'm going to push the power button. Slow cooker because we're going to cook some beans. So it's got high and you got low. So in this purpose, I'm going to keep it on high. Now you can change the time. So this here has 6 hours. These are in hours. You can change the time by going up, or you can go less time, which is going down. So I'm going to set this for 8 hours. So you'll hear a beep sound that basically tells you that it is ready to start cooking. So now I'm going to add some beans in. So it says 7 hours and 54 minutes. I've added my different kinds of beans for my chili. And you can see at the top it had the spoon connected to the top of the pan. So it sits just right there. It looks really nice. It cooks really good. So I'm going to come back as soon as it's all done and cooked to show you what it has done. So now that we got done finished cooking it, this is my end result. It has been 8 hours. My chili is completely finished. You can see that it is steaming. It smells really good. It looks really good. And like I said, it actually took me a lot less cooking from my regular cooker. Usually it would be about 12 hours to finish cooking. And on the stove, it would be a lot longer. So if you're definitely looking for a slow cooker to cook your food, I would highly recommend checking out this Ninja. This one is totally worth it. I love it. The fact that you can put the pan in the oven to top it off to make it crispy is also a bonus. I highly recommend this cooker.